Sabeeh here, and in this video I am going to do the unboxing and review of the Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime Pro, which has been recently released by Samsung a few weeks ago. So the Grand Prime Pro comes in a light blue box. The back of the box shows some specifications of the phone. It has 16GB of storage, 8 and 5 megapixel cameras, Super AMOLED display and 1.4 GHz Cortex A53 quad-core chipset. Taking off the plastic, the box looks different as compared to other Samsung boxes, and it opens differently as well. Inside the box we have got our phone on the top. The phone feels very light as it does not have the battery in it yet. So let's put it aside and dig into the box. We've got our warranty papers, battery, quick start guide, and now coming towards the accessories, we've got the white micro USB charging cable, white earphones, and the power adapter. Now let's remove the stickers and plastic on the phone and then insert the battery in the phone. Before moving towards the review, go answer my question down below. If you are given a choice between the Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime Pro, Honor 8 Lite and the Redmi 5, which one would you buy and why? The Grand Prime Pro comes with a really neat design. Even though it is made out of plastic, it does not look bad. The design is nice and the phone looks nice, but the in-hand feel is not the best as plastic is still plastic. Design-wise, the Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime Pro is not a bad phone. The Grand Prime Pro has a Super AMOLED panel which has nice colors and the display does not look bad. But the resolution on this phone is just 540p and the display does not look that sharp. You will start to notice that while reading text and watching some high resolution videos which would not look that detailed on this 540p panel. The display isn't that bad, but 540p resolution? Samsung? Nahi matlab kya? The camera on this phone is really bad. The colors look really bad. White balance is often out of place and shots are not properly exposed. The camera on this phone is a true deal breaker and I would not recommend anyone to buy this phone. The performance on this phone is not really good either. The quad-core Cortex A53 processor is not very powerful. It is used as an energy efficient chip on most of the phone. Simple tasks like scrolling Instagram feed won't have a problem. Even small games like Subway Surfers would be playable, but once you move over to something power demanding, this phone just would not perform. Also, this phone only has 1.5GB of RAM, while if you pay 2000 PKR more and get the Honor 8 Lite, that phone has 3GB of RAM. This phone would not have the best RAM management. The phone will get slow when you open multiple applications, and as you install more and more apps, the phone would start to get slow and jittery. The software on this phone is not bad. I like Samsung Experience UI aka TouchWiz. The icons and the overall UI looks nice, and out of the box it was smooth, but as I installed more and more apps it started to lag a little, and also it takes a lot of storage of your phone. And a weird thing, out of the box this phone does not come with a music player. You would have to install the music application from the Galaxy App Store. Grand Prime Pro has a 2600 mAh battery, which is a small battery capacity. But the phone's chipset is not that powerful and the display has a low resolution, so the battery gives an average usage time. But after the phone ages and the battery wears out, the phone will not last as long and would give a poor usage time. If you want to prevent your phone's battery from degrading a lot over time, check the video on the cards. So my final verdict is that the Galaxy Grand Prime Pro is not worth purchasing for its price. It costs about 18,000 PKR in Pakistan, which is a very competitive price. If you just add 2000 more, you will be able to get very good phones like the Honor 8 Lite and the Redmi 5, so I would not recommend you to buy this phone. If this phone was priced 10,000 PKR, my opinion would have been different. So that's pretty much it guys, thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more similar videos. And if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Peace and Assalamu Alaikum.